In this video, we will be discussing basic care and maintenance for your hearing aids. The type of hearing device we will be discussing today is a Phonak Audeo Marvel Rechargeable receiver in the canal hearing aid, but many of the tips discussed will apply for all hearing aid types and styles with some variation. Some of the tools you will need include a hearing aid charger, a brush, a cleaning cloth such as a tissue or alcohol prep pad, series stop filters, or wax traps, as well as your manufacturer's user guide for further instruction. The first thing to note with these Phonak Audeo Marvel rechargeable hearing devices is the charging function. When the hearing devices are not in your ears and in use, it is a good practice to place them in the charger. This ensures that the devices are not misplaced or damaged by pets, and also helps to ensure your hearing devices have an adequate charge to carry you through the day. When the hearing devices are placed into the charger, they automatically power off during the charging process. You will see a light begin to flash on the back of the device, indicating that the battery is being charged, as well as the battery charge level. The color of the light indicates the amount of charge available. A green flashing light shows that your hearing aid has 80% or better battery charge. A yellow flashing light indicates less than 80% charge, and the flashing red light means that there is less than 20% charge available in your hearing device. When the devices are fully charged, the light will remain on and solid green. When cleaning your hearing aid, you want to use a brush of some kind to gently remove cerumen and other debris from the hearing aid earpiece as well as the main body of the hearing aid. This is best accomplished when taking the devices out of your ear at the end of the day before putting them on for charge. For more aggressive cleaning, wiping down the devices with a tissue or alcohol prep pad, as shown, can both disinfect and clean stubborn wax and debris from the hearing aid with greater ease. It is important to wipe down the main body of the hearing aid in order to remove debris from the microphone ports as shown. One thing to consider if using alcohol-soaked cloth is to have the cloth lightly damp, as too much moisture buildup in the hearing aid can cause it to malfunction. After wiping down the hearing aid, checking the series stop filters or wax trap may need to be completed as well to help ensure proper function of these devices. These steps can be found in our other videos, which will be linked in the description, as well as the inside packaging of the series stop filters. For additional questions on maintenance and care of your hearing devices, reference your user guide or contact your hearing health care provider for more information.